I've got 500ml there of boiling water. What we're going to do, first of all, welcome to Adam Vale YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Look at this, we've got this new mixed berry glitter jelly. It's jelly, but it's got glitter in. What can you not like about that? Look at that, glitter jelly. That's unbelievable. I saw that and I thought I need to make that. So I thought, right, believe it or not, I've never made jelly in my life. I've just never made it. I'm not even a massive lover of jelly, to be honest, but it's a thing you have. So all you need to do with this, I've read the instructions because I've never made jelly. You need 500ml of boiling water. You stir it, you put it in a bowl, you put it in the fridge. I'm going to do this part now, then I'll finish it off tomorrow because I am going to film about 7 videos back to back for next week. So you get a video a day. We're good to you like that. We film them all back to back. It's like 20 past 10 at night. Like I say, never made jelly. All you need to do is undo it, put it in a bowl, mix it, put it in the fridge, and it should be done. That's what the instruction says. 500ml boiling water, which is right there. If I'm doing this wrong, it's tough, isn't it? So mixed berry, it says. So it's like a mixture of all different berries. So you put that, look at that, it's blue. I thought it was going to be red for some reason. Then you get 500ml of boiling water. You pour that in there. Ah, look, it's too. Ah, look. Ah, you're joking me. One I'm gonna have to pour it back into this one. Ah, you're joking. Look, I've messed it up. I've messed it up already. So I'm gonna have to scoop this bit out. I can't believe this. It's all going wrong. This jug didn't even hold 500ml. I didn't expect that. Now I'm gonna have to do a bit of back and forward here to get it all. I've messed this video up. Anyway, I saw this in, this was in Asda. I think it was about 50p. So 50p for a bowl of jelly ain't bad. Look, I'm kind of doing this back and forward stuff to get all the gloopy bits out of there. Oh, that's going to have to be enough, isn't it? That's going to have to be enough. Wife's going to go mental in the morning when she wakes up to all this washing up. Nah, I'll wash it up, of course I will. So it says you just mix it till it all dissolves. Then you put it into bowls, but look at the bowl I've got. I've got another one as well. I didn't know. I didn't think this through. Welcome to the Adam Vale YouTube channel. We don't always think things through. So that's mixing down. Smells like berry, I guess. It just smells a bit fruity. Apparently it's got glitter in it. Glitter in your jelly. Whatever next. This was a 2-minute video. This has turned into a 20-minute film. Right, is that all mixed in? I don't know. The wife's gone to bed. She's normally here to help me with this. 500ml apparently this little cup holds. Well, and that's jelly. And that's going to be glittery jelly. It is a bit lumpy. I'll sort that out. I'm sure it's still going to work. But on top it does look glittery. I'll put that in the fridge. Look at that. There's definitely a shimmer on top of that. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. I'm going to have to get some more bowls, ain't I? So how many are we going to get out of this? How much do you have for jelly? I ain't had jelly since I was a little lid. Oh, that's going to be it. Here we go. 4 of them. 4 bowls. So it's glitter jelly. Oh, that don't taste too bad, you know. That's not too bad. It tastes quite nice. It actually tastes quite nice. I don't know if you're supposed to drink it. I don't know. I'm going to put these in the fridge. That's just over there. Join me in about 4 hours. Or about 10 seconds. Right, so I just went to the fridge. It was 20 past 10 when I made this jelly. It's now 3 minutes to 1. I start up late sometimes. I think it's set. So to save me doing this tomorrow, I think I'll just do it now. Let me grab a plate and see what this is like. Here we go. I've got a glass plate. It looks like it's set. I'm laughing because I've never made jelly in my life. So just... Hey! Yeah, it's set. That didn't take long, did it? Look at that! Look at that jelly. I didn't think that would work, and there is glitter on it. We'll try to get a close-up of this glitter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to taste it, And then I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see that glitter and that goodness. Let's get a fork. Is that what you eat jelly with, a fork? Spoon. Never made jelly in my life and it actually worked. Look at this, look. Jelly. Oh, cold. Tell you what that tastes like. Jelly. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. It's quite a fun jelly thing with glitter. I'm talking quiet because it's 2 minutes. It's 1 minute to 1 now. See the shine? I'll turn the camera around. You can have a look at the glitter for yourself. If you like these jelly related products, subscribe for more. You know what you need? Jelly and squirty cream. You know the stuff. Here we go. Can you see the glitter on that? Look at the sparkles and the glitter in that jelly. Look at that. There's a nice glitter to that. That's a nice well made jelly. You will not see a better made jelly in your life. See the glitter? It take this. That's my jelly. I ain't had jelly for about 30 years.